How to make a bee hexagon. This week we're exploring shape. Shape is an element of art. And in order to make these cool bees, we need to refresh our shape knowledge. So you may be familiar with these geometric shapes, but just to make sure, we're going to play a little game. When you think you know the shape, I want you to go ahead and call it out. Ready? Go! That's right, it's a circle. Nice. Square. Triangle. Here's a tricky one. This is called a pentagon. Do you see the pentagon in that house? This is a trapezoid. And last but not least, a hexagon. It has 6 points and 6 sides.
Why are you stopping?
I'm going to release the bees.
Hi friends, today we're going to be learning how to make a honeycomb bee project. And the first part of our project is that we have to draw our bees. So I'm going to be using this guide that says how to draw a blank bee in 11 easy steps. So you're going to be holding your paper. Right next to that, I'm going to be drawing 2 bees, or you can draw one really big one. Our first step, as always, is we're going to write our name and our teacher's name on our paper. So I'm going to write Mrs. Cassens. And Mrs. Smith. Now let's go ahead and flip our paper over like a pancake. I'm going to be drawing with a Sharpie so that you can see what I'm drawing, but you will be using a pencil. Why do we use a pencil? So we can erase. Very nice. I'm going to draw 2. So I'm going to first start by making a oval shape. Next I will be drawing the head. So it's a round shape like this. A circle shape, another circle shape. These are going to be their eyes, and we need some antennas. So it's a little kind of an oval shape on the left, and another oval shape on the right. Now I'm going to be drawing an oval, kind of pointed oval right here. Now we're going to draw kind of curved lines or U shapes. Cute. Now I'm going to be drawing the wings. So I'm going to make a high line like this that's going to come down and around. Kind of like a P that's not closed. And then I'm going to take another line that starts right down here, right there, and it ends here. So it comes down and around. Good job. Now I'm going to be doing the same thing that I did here on the other side. So a high line like a roller coaster. And then it comes down. Whoa! And then it loops around. And then it comes back and meets the body. It's okay that your wings are not exactly the same. Mine aren't exactly the same either, and that's okay. Now we're going to be doing the legs, and the legs have little segments. So we're gonna draw a couple little ovals. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys are rocking it. Now he needs a leg down here, right? He's missing a leg, so he's gonna have some segments down here. So an upside down V shape. Another little segment. Oval. Notice how his leg is kind of turning and coming down. And those are like his little legs where he lands. Now what's he missing? Oh, his other leg. So we gotta draw another V shape. An oval. Another oval. And then kind of a curvy line for his leg. He's got one more leg here and one more leg here, so we're gonna keep making that. It's one really long oval. Another oval and another oval. Now we need to do the other side. One long oval, another oval, and this oval. Good job. Now we're gonna go ahead and color it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make my second bee right over here, and I'm gonna speed up the video so you guys can see it. Ready? Woo, I am fast. Next, we're going to color our bees. After we color our bees, we're going to cut out your bees. Now, just in case we don't get to part 2, we're going to write our name on the backs of our bees as well. So I'm going to write my name Mrs. Cassins and Mrs. Smith on all of my bees. So if I make 5 bees, then I should write my name 5 times. Now you're going to leave these on your desk, and the art sheriff is going to come collect them and put them in your teacher's bin. Great job, guys. Bee hexagons part 2. Last week we explored shape, which is an element of art, and this week we will be exploring a principle of design called emphasis. Emphasis is kind of like the focus of our artwork, or where our eye is drawn first. But first, let's remember the beautiful, the lovely hexagon. It has 6 points and 6 sides. Let's see if we can find the emphasis or focus of these famous paintings. Ready? Let's go. What is the focus or emphasis of this painting? It's the flower. What is the focus or emphasis of this painting? The girl. Nice job. What is the focus or emphasis of this painting? The boats. 1 and 2. Nice job. And last but not least, what is the focus or emphasis of this painting? The black cross. Great job. Let's get down to business. The first thing that we're going to do today is we're going to outline our hexagons or our honeycombs with a dark colored oil pastel. I'm using brown, but you're welcome to use another color if you'd like. Now I'm going to go back in with my next color and make very thick lines around my hexagon. Oh my gosh, I'm going so fast. I'm using brown, orange, and let's see if you can guess the next color I'm using. That's right, it's yellow. Amarillo. Now to add some texture or pattern to our honeycomb, I'm going to be using yellow paint and, you guessed it, bubble wrap. You're going to paint a light coat of paint. I'm going to use yellow. Right on top of your bubble wrap. Notice I'm holding my bubble wrap flat so that I'm only getting on top of the circle or patterns, the circle patterns that you see there. We're going to use our bubble wrap kind of like a stamp. So if you don't have bubble wrap, you could also use the bottom of a Lego. You could use marker caps. You could also use your pencil eraser if you no longer have an eraser there and it's just a circle. Now I'm going to stamp my bubble wrap, so very carefully give it a nice pat. You don't want to smush it or move it too much, so just a nice pat and then peel it off. Ooh, fun. Feel free to go back and add as many areas of texture as you want. I did 3, I believe, on mine, but you're welcome to do more, because this part is super fun. Now we're going to add our emphasis or our focus, which is our bees, our beautiful bees. So you want to add a little bit of glue on the back of your bee, and you can place it wherever you'd like on your honeycomb. My paint is still wet, so I want to be really careful when I'm gluing my bees down. And I'm going to hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. And then if you have any corners, I'm just going to try and nail those guys down too. And you're going to do this for each bee that you've cut out. So if you made 5 bees, how many bees would you glue down? That's right, 5. So you want dab a little. A dot goes a long way, so just a dot, not a lot of your glue. And then you're going to go ahead and place it down wherever you'd like. And now we have something on our artwork called emphasis or focus. This is looking spectacular. I can't wait to see what everyone else's artwork looks like. If you'd like to stay tuned for mine, you can see it right about here. Ooh, it's buzztastic. It looks fabulous. You're going to go ahead and wash your brush out very well in the sink. Turn off the faucet. You're going to put your brush away bristle side up. And you're going to carefully walk your art palette over to the counter so it's ready for the next class. And our artwork, as always, goes in the drying rack. Nice job, friends.